Alrighty then. Timex Indiglo battery operated. Like I said, this thing's like 10 years old. You can see the wear and tear from where I've hit the snooze button, which is on the back of the clock. Snooze button, indigo light right there. It's got all kinds of stains on it. This thing has been in semis. Like I said, battery operated. Of course, what you want to do when you get one of these, hang on a second. Put in the Energizer Advanced Lithium batteries. Ooh, God, this thing has been through hell. Look at that. You can see stains. From whatever that is, I don't know what that is. But anyhow, those batteries has powered this thing for probably 5 years now. Been about 5 years since I put these batteries in there. I guarantee you. This is what's called dependability. American made. Well, maybe it's made in China. Let me look at the label here real quick. Oh, by George, it's made in China. But for some reason, this thing has lasted the test of time through semis, camping, various adventures. It's not waterproof, it doesn't claim to be. It's not shock resistant to any degree I've ever seen on the package, which is long gone. But it is dependable. Cheers for Chinese technology. David, out. Keep your eyes on the skies.